Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Wow! Hello everyone! Today I wanna show you big collection of Pepsi from different countries. We have Pepsi from Afghanistan, USA, Poland, Russia and much more. Let's go! Let's start. Open Pepsi from Germany. Wow! Oh my god! Mentos candy and funny experiment. Next, let's open Coca-Cola. It's Pepsi Cola from Russia with same colors, red, white and blue. Open. I also have a soda. It's special material like a Mentos. Let's go. Oh my god! Second, let's open Evervest. It's new name of Pepsi Cola in Russia. We have different design, red and black, green and black, and yellow and black. Its flavor lemon, like a Sprite. Evervest. Open. Let's create an experiment. Let's open bottle of Pepsi Cola. It's Pepsi Cola from Uzbekistan. Open. Take a Mentos candy and let's open very interesting Pepsi Cola. This is Pepsi Cola from Afghanistan. Wow, Afghanistan, Kabul. We have Arabic letter. Let's open it. Second, let's open Pepsi Max. This is Pepsi from Republic of Belarus. Wow. Open. Delicious. Let's open very funny drink. Soft drinks from Japan. Sangaria. Cider. We have Japanese letters. Let's open. Japanese soda drink plus soda. And magic. Woohoo! Oh my god! What happened? Second, let's open original Pepsi Cola from Republic of Belarus. We have long size and open. Oh. And soda. Drink, where are you? Wow! Woohoo! And finally, let's open the biggest bottle of Pepsi Cola. We have 3 sizes: big, medium, and small. And let's open biggest Pepsi Cola. Oh my god! This is Pepsi Cola, also from Uzbekistan. Made in Uzbekistan. Oh, very big. Open. Oh. Oh. Ha ha ha. Woohoo. Wow. Oh my god. And let's take a good experiment. We have soda. It's like a Mentos, but more powerful, and create an experiment. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Argamo! Oh my god! What happened? What happened? Very dangerous Pepsi Cola. Oh no! In this video you can watch a lot of Pepsi Cola from different countries. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Goodbye.